Get excited, Celtics fans. It's official. Gordon Hayward is headed to Boston.
Yes, Hayward will be in green next season. The Celtics felt good after their meeting with the 27-year-old, and why wouldn't they? Brad Stevens was his coach at Butler, and well, even the Red Sox rolled out the red carpet for the guy in the middle of their busy season. Hayward announced the decision through the Players Tribune, first thanking Utah and then talking all things Boston. There was a special history of the Celtics as a franchise, from Russell to Bird to Pierce, and it goes on. There was the amazing potential of this current Celtics roster as a team.